everyone, my name is Tony Darrick and today I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful coordinating envelope for your pretty cards using the lovely Eureka. I'm just going to open the lid on the Eureka, and today I am going to be making a landscape envelope for a beautiful card, and the measurement will be 5.5 by 4.25. Okay, and the cardstock that I'm going to be using today is 7.5 inch by 7.5 inch. We do have other sizes and the box templates available as downloads on our website, so be sure to check those out. So I'm just going to pop my cardstock into place, and I'm following the 4-bar lines on here, which will give me that beautiful finished envelope. I'm just going to score across the 4-bar line across there, holding my cardstock into place. Then I will score on the right hand side down to the base. Then I will score again on the 4-bar line, pulling the design across, and then down the left hand side. And I'm just going to take my scissors and I'm just going to cut away those triangles, and this is going to give me that lovely classic finish on our beautiful coordinating envelope. The capability with the envelope template maker is endless. So once all 4 sides have been cut away, just confirm those score lines with your bone folder. And then with glue or your tape runner, pull in your sides. And you have a beautiful coordinating envelope. You can also do them in various sizes, various colours, using all of the beautiful cardstock you have in your stash at home. Be sure to check out our next video where I'm going to be showing you how to use the watercolour tablet side of things.